Time for our bike adventure!
I am so fast on a bike. I am faster.
I only have one children's bike left. Sorry.
Only one? But we need two. She took my bike. Ugh. Dad! Mom! Can anyone hear me?
Isa! Isa! Are you here?
We are here! The park!
Time for our bike adventure!
Yay! I want a blue bike!
Let's go rent them first.
Everyone out. Be careful.
I am so fast on a bike. I am faster.
No racing today, kids. Just fun.
Good afternoon. We need 4 bikes.
No!
Welcome to Evergreen Park. Sizes for kids and adults?
Yes, please. 2 adult bikes, 2 children's bikes.
Let me check. We have 2 adult bikes ready.
And the kids' bikes?
I only have one children's bike left. Sorry.
Only one? But we need 2.
Oh no. What do we do?
Is there another option? We have a tandem bike. 2 people ride together.
A tandem? That sounds cool. I don't know. It looks big.
I can ride the tandem with Isa.
Really, Dad? Together?
Yes! It will be fun. I pedal in front, you in the back.
That is a great idea, James.
Here are your helmets. Safety first.
Harry, Isa, choose your helmets.
This red one. This pink one. It matches my shoes.
Good choices. Let's adjust them.
Are these seats comfortable?
Perfect. The tandem seat is high, but I like it.
Hold on tight, Isa. We are a team.
This is so nice.
Fresh air, green trees.
Dad, this tandem is fun.
See? I told you.
Look at that squirrel. It's so cute.
Don't stop suddenly, Harry.
I won't, Mom. I am a pro.
Keep to the right side, everyone.
I see the lake.
The flowers are beautiful here. This path goes on forever.
I love this, Dad. Faster.
Slowly, Isa. Enjoy the view.
Watch me. I can ride with no hands.
Harry, both hands on the bars.
Okay. I was just... Oh no! My bike stopped!
What happened?
The chain fell off. I can't pedal.
Let me see. Isa, stay on the tandem.
Okay, Dad.
The chain is off the gear. I can fix it.
Do you know how?
Yes. I used to fix bikes when I was young.
Really, Dad?
Hold the bike still, Harry.
Like this?
Now, I put the chain back carefully.
Be careful with your hands, James.
Almost there. Done.
Wow, Dad, you fixed it! Dad is a mechanic.
Not a mechanic, just a dad.
A very useful dad. Your hands are dirty, though.
I know. Let's find water to wash them.
There is a fountain near the big oak tree.
Good memory, Harry. Let's go.
Much better. Clean hands.
It's getting late. The rental shop closes at 5.
Already? What time is it?
Almost 4. We have 1 hour.
Can we ride more? Please.
We had a long ride, Isa.
Please. Just one more small loop?
It's getting a little cloudy.
We can come back tomorrow. But I want to ride again now. Just a quick one.
Okay, Isa. One very small loop. Stay on this path.
Do not go far. We will wait right here.
I promise. I'll be fast.
Be careful.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. She took my bike.
It's fine. She'll be right back.
This way looks fun. Oh? Rain? Wow! A bluebird! Where is the big oak tree? Oh no! I think I went too far. Ow! My knee! It hurts! My bike is up there. I can't reach it. Dad! Mom! Can anyone hear me? I can't climb. It's too slippery. What should I do? Tell me in the comments. A, try to climb back up, or B, stay here and call for help. I'll stay. Dad will find me. I know he will.
She's been gone for a while.
Yes, and the rain is starting.
Should I go look for her?
No, Harry. Stay here with me.
I'll go. I'll ride fast.
Be careful, James. Just find her.
I will. Stay calm, honey.
I hope she is okay.
She will be, Harry. She's a smart girl.
Isa! 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 Are you here? Oh no! Isa!
Dad! Down here!
Don't move! I'm coming down!
I'm here, sweetie. Let me see.
My knee. I fall off the bike.
It's a scrape. Not too bad. Can you stand?
I think so. But it hurts when I bend it.
Okay, put your arm around my shoulder.
The mud is so slippery, Dad.
I know. One step at a time. Hold on to me.
Are we almost up?
Almost there. One more step. There. We're back on the path.
Thank you, Dad. I was so scared.
You were brave, Isa. You stayed in one place. That was smart.
I couldn't climb. The mud was too slippery.
Can you ride?
My knee hurts too much to pedal.
Okay. You sit on my bike. I'll push it. We walk back.
Oh no! It's 10 to 5.
What's wrong, sweetie?
The rental shop closes at 5. We only have 10 minutes.
Don't worry about that. The important thing is that you are safe.
Isa! Oh my God! What happened?
I fell, Mom. Down a hill.
Let me see your knee. Oh, baby!
It's a scrape. She can't pedal.
Isa, your knee is bleeding. It's okay, Harry. It just stings a little.
We need to clean this. Do you have water, James?
I used the last bottle, but the rental shop has a first aid kit.
Then we need to get there. Now!
The shop closes in 8 minutes.
Harry, ride your bike. James, push the tandem. I'll carry Isa.
I can sit on the back, Mom?
Yes, hold on to me tight. Let's go. I'll ride ahead and tell them we're coming.
Good idea, Harry. Tell the attendant we need the first aid kit.
Got it. Mom, your shirt is getting all muddy. Sorry.
I don't care about my shirt. I care about you.
It really hurts, Mom.
I know, sweetie. Almost there.
I see Harry at the shop. He made it.
We need the first aid kit. My sister fell.
I have it ready. Bring her in. Come, sit here. Let me see that knee.
Thank you so much.
It's a small scrape. Some antiseptic and a bandage. She'll be fine.
Ow. That stings.
Almost done. There. A big pink bandage for a brave girl.
Pink? I like pink.
You look like a warrior, Isa.
3 bikes and a tandem returned. Sorry about the mud. Don't worry, this happens. Kids fall. The important thing is you're all safe.
We almost didn't make it on time.
You made it with 1 minute to spare.
I always bring hot chocolate, just in case.
Mom, you are the best.
Hot chocolate in the rain. This is perfect.
What a day. Tandem, broken chain, rain, and a girl down a hill.
I was not lost. I was exploring.
Exploring without telling us.
And falling down a slope. That's what scared us.
I know, Mom. I'm sorry. I should have stayed on the path.
It's important to stay together, especially in new places.
I was really worried about you, Isa. I was really scared at the bottom. I couldn't climb back up.
But you were brave. You stayed and waited for help.
I did. I thought about it and I waited. Like you always say.
That was the smart choice. If you climbed, you could have fallen again.
I love you, my brave girl. I love you too, Mom, and Dad, and Harry. Next time, we all stay together, okay? Okay, Harry. All together.
And next time, I check the bikes before we ride.
And I check the time before I say yes to one more loop.
And I keep both hands on the bars.
Deal?
Deal.
Deal!
Deal. Look, a rainbow. Best day ever.